How to create a sliced text effect in Canva. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a sliced text effect in the easiest way possible in less than 5 minutes. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more tutorials like these. Let's get started. Let's browse to the Canva home screen and click on Create a New Design. And let's go to the Custom Size option here and select 1280 by 720 pixel and click on Create a New Design. Let's change the background color. To change the color, we have to go up here and click on Colors and choose any color from the options available. Let's select this color here. Okay, now we have to go on the left hand side and click on Text and add a heading here. Let's type Top. Okay, now to change the font, we have to go up here and click on Fonts and choose any font from the options available. Let me select this font here. Let's change the color of this text. To change the color, we have to go up here and choose any color of our choice. For this example, I'll choose white color. Okay, now let's resize this text. To resize, we can simply click and drag this text like this. Or we can go up here and increase the font size from here. Okay, now we have to go on the left hand side and click on Elements and search for Curve and select Graphics. Okay, now we have a lot of options to choose from. Let me select a curve option from here. Okay, now let's adjust the curve on top of this text and change the color to match the background color. Alright, now let's duplicate this curve graphic and change the color to white and adjust the curve to give it some sliced effect. See, that was so easy. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials like these, and please add a comment if you have any questions.